Now, Portland public school officials are trying to come up with a strategy to overcome a substantial budget deficit. The district is predicting a shortfall in the millions. But that's not the only challenge school leaders are facing, as they heard in a public forum tonight. News Centering's Alex Haskell was there.
The district expects to have a deficit between $9 and $10 million. It is early in the budget process, but the one thing the district does know, there's a sizable gap between expected revenue and expected expenses in the next school year.
We are currently in a severe youth mental health crisis.
Kate McLean would know best. She's the only school counselor at Rowe Elementary School for more than 400 students.
I've done suicide assessments multiple times this year.
At Tuesday night's public forum, she pleaded with school district leaders to include mental health staffing in the next school budget.
I have 2 students who've lost parents this year, and it's hard to find the time to support them because there's so much need at our school right now.
Her plea could go unanswered.
We're going to have to make some difficult decisions.
At the same forum, Portland Superintendent Ryan Scallion alerted the community about the likelihood of budget cuts due to the expected deficit. But he is committed to keeping the impact on students as minimal as possible.
We want to be careful that we don't lose the progress that we've made in the current challenge that we face.
School Board Chair Sarah Lentz says with a deficit this size, avoiding staffing cuts won't be easy.
Realistically, about 85% of our budget is people. We're not going to be able to get $10 million of cuts out of 15% of our budget.
Lentz says contributing to the deficit are several factors, from federal COVID funds running out to state funding staying the same despite rising expenses.
All of those things add up to this big number.
To balance the budget, the district is looking at where it can make cuts. So far, it's unclear where they will be made, leaving some parents concerned.
Kids are literally being put at risk.
The budget will first have to be approved by the school board and then city council. The public will have a final say in a June vote. In Portland, Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.